This is an Air Hogs Rolling Fury modified with wing slats. Stock, it's a fast plane, somewhat difficult to fly. When you add these simple wing slats, it not only can you fly slow and fast, but it's much more controllable. You can fly in a smaller area and in turn much tighter. Top view shows the slats and the additional area at the horizontal stabilizer in the back. This is a side view showing how the slats mount. I'm using foam picnic plate for the slats. It's about 1.5 millimeters thick. They're 158 millimeters long, 26 millimeters on the inboard, 17 millimeters on the outboard. Check that your wing slats are exactly the same size by putting them on top of each other and trimming. I've also added 9 millimeter extensions to the horizontal stabilizers.
I score some 4 marks in there with just a ballpoint pen, but just don't want to break the surface of the foam. You just want to make these score marks. And I take this and I work it over. This is a 1/2 inch diameter piece of tubing, but you can use dowel or anything that you have just to get those creases to come through. I do it by hand a little bit just to make sure you have your marks in there, and then you have a curved wing slat that you can just form like that, ready to glue on the airplane.
I glued the slats on here with UHU glue, or you can use contact cement. The inboard portion of the slat is glued directly onto the fuselage, 7 millimeters in front of the leading edge of the wing. The outboard is glued right onto the tip tank. The black line is the root of the wing, and the red line is the angle of the slats. That's about 35 degrees. I also have washout in the wing. The blue line is on the wingtip tank, and the black line is the root of the wing. That's about 6 degrees of washout.
Add washout to the wings by just flexing the foam. Try to make it even. You can do the same thing for the elevators and the rudder. You can always twist it back.
See that you have the same amount of washout in each wing by sighting directly down the fuselage from the back. I've had great fun with this $40 toy plane. I've flown it stock with washout, made a biplane by adding an upper wing, and now flying it with the wing slats. It's really a fun project. You ought to give it a try.